this video, we're going to show you how to replace the left side VVT solenoid on your G35 INFINITI. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to undo or loosen the nut on the negative cable and remove that, and then just tuck it down to the side. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 nuts and 2 bolts for the engine cover. And remove the engine cover. Remove the 10mm bolts for the VVT solenoid. Undo the connector. And then remove the solenoid and the gasket. Clean up the mating surface with a rag and parts cleaner. If you have any old gasket material, use a razor blade or a light abrasive and clean that off and then wipe it down. Install the gasket. I recommend using new ones when replacing these. I'm going to connect the connector for the VVT solenoid. Install the bolts. Make sure the gasket is sitting in the right place. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bolts to 8 foot-pounds. Install the engine cover. There's 2 studs in the front. 2 back bolts. Snug them down. Grab your negative cable, put it on the terminal, and snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.